Hey everybody, how you going? Look at this fantastic weather. Obviously if you don't live in Sydney you won't know what I'm talking about, but for the past month the weather has been absolutely terrible. It's just been raining absolutely non-stop. Some days it will be sunny, but it'll be absolutely overcast and it'll just, you won't know if it's going to rain, so you don't know whether to take the bike out or not. So I've been driving the car a lot, to be honest, and I'd be lucky if I get take the bike out maybe, I don't know, 1 or 2 times a week. But by the looks of the weather this week, it'll only be raining maybe 1 or 2 days, so looks like I'll be on the bike a lot. So yeah, this weather is absolutely awesome today, and I am enjoying it so much because it means I can just have fun with my bike, listen to this crazy exhaust. I mean, I don't have to rev it like that, but I want to. Oh, we've got a tunnel coming up. God, that sounds good. I didn't get a chance to really rev it out, so I thought maybe I'll give a little whip of the throttle on a downshift. God, look at this traffic. Absolutely hideous. So anyway, I'm gonna start this video again. The purpose of this little video here is just to explain why I haven't uploaded in a while. But for the past month in Sydney, the weather has been absolutely shit. But that's not the main reason I haven't uploaded a video in the past 3 weeks, and why I probably won't be uploading many videos in the next week or 2. The main reason is I'm just getting busy at uni. You know, just getting a lot of assessments, and unfortunately that has to come first, because if I don't pass my assessments I will have to do them again next semester, and I don't want to have to repeat uni, because that would mean, 1, wasting 6 months of my life and however much money it costs to repeat the course. So as much as I would love to just ride around and make videos, I have to prioritize uni. But it's only for a couple weeks. So that's my little explanation for why I haven't uploaded in a while. So sorry about that, guys. But we gotta get some exhaust action here. That sounds fucking awesome. Alright, hop in my lane then. What are you waiting for, man? I don't know why people go so slow here. Yes, there's a speed camera, but it's at 80 kilometers an hour. That does not mean you have to go 60. For fuck's sake. People piss me off. Oh man, I'm just so happy we have some good weather for at least one day. If it stays like this for most of the week, I will be over the moon. I won't get my assignments done, I'll just be wanting to ride all day. Can't get over this exhaust, man. How many months have I owned this bike? Like 7 months? 8 months? This exhaust does not get old. No, it doesn't. And I know my microphone setup makes it sound muffled. I've tried to fix it. No matter, like, I've tried to move around my mic. Like, I've put it at the front of my helmet, and it makes my voice really clear, and I'm like, wow, my voice sounds awesome. But you hear every breath. It's like I'm Darth fucking Vader. I'm like I'm like, whoa, it's fucking shit now. And on top of that, you can't hear that as well. That awesome sound of the bike. I did slightly adjust my camera angle. I lifted it up a little bit on the recommendation of Mike the Bear Moto Vlogs, and you should be able to see more of the road now and more of the what's in front of me, so that should be good. Anyway, this video is not going anywhere. It could have taken me literally 30 seconds to say, hey guys, I'm busy at uni. That's why I haven't uploaded in a while and won't for a little while longer. I'm just addicted to my exhaust. Alright. Little children, holy shit. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this little video of me being a total idiot. And I'll catch you in my next video. See ya.